Hi guys, as the little picture says there, this is the best piece of advice I'll ever give you when it comes to succeeding with Amazon KDP. So get a pen and a piece of paper and listen up. This is it. Never give up. No, I'm joking. That's a load of baloney. Give up if you want. If you don't want to do it, give up. That's not the advice. This is the advice. If you are not reusing your interiors, you're leaving money on the table. When you think about it, the way most people get into KDP is by reusing their interiors. Lined journals. You don't make hundreds and hundreds of lined notebooks, do you? You make one, put a load of different covers on it. You're finding your feet. You're trying to find out which audience you click with. You're practicing how to make covers. You're bashing out 100 notepads in a day. Not anymore because they've limited you to 4 uploads. But you're bashing out notepads to try and get used to the whole concept of KDP. You can do that with more advanced books. Get more sales, and you've only got to make the interior once. By the end of this video, you'll see how you can maximise your catalogue of books and your potential income. Let's get on with it. So, first of all, the reason this strategy works is because it's completely scalable. You make one interior, whack a load of different covers on it, and you're instantly targeting other audiences. So, we'll take, for example, say a logbook. You make a mileage logbook. It's got all the nice little columns in it. Dates, start mileage, end mileage, when petrol was put in the tank, how much it cost, blah de blah de blah. You can leave it with a generic cover which just says mileage, or you can target it for truckers, taxi drivers, anyone that uses the car for business. With one interior you can target hundreds of different businesses. It also helps increase your visibility in all these niches. You can get a name for yourself for being the trucker guy. You know, you could make mileage books, notebooks, diaries, planners, whatever, all targeted toward truckers. And when they click your little author name to see what else you've made, you'll have all of these trucker books. Now you might think, oh, isn't that just spamming? Isn't it a waste of time just putting the same book out over and over and over again? It's not spamming, it's smart marketing. You're using this asset you've created. In fact, you're reusing this asset you've created as many times as you can to get it in front of as many eyes as you can to get as many sales as you can. Now I'm going to show you how this works in the real world with my books, because that's all I've got to go on. Now this comes with the caveat that I'm not the best at KDP. My back office is crap, my covers aren't great, my keyword research is non-existent. I just like making books and putting them on, and I haven't even been doing that very much recently. But this is an example of what I mean. So this is a graph lifetime technically, although really the data only starts in 2021. And this is all for appointment books. That's all it is. Nothing else, just appointment books. These appointment books, I've given one away for a start, so you can have that. Whack as many covers on it as you want. And this is all for appointment books. So again, with the caveat that I'm not very good at KDP, you can see that with appointment books, I've made 126 sales. That equates to £136. You can see the spikes there where they sell, because it's always December and January sort of time. But these appointment books are all the same interior. Yes, obviously the dates changed, so 2021, 2022, 2023. I've all mail merged them. And again, I've made videos on how to do that. I've set up the interior. I click a button and it mail merges, data merges. So the dates and the days are all correct for each year. And then I just put different covers on it. Really, really simple. When I scroll down, you'll see. This is the appointment book. And again, the appointment book, I must stress this, it's the exact same interior. The exact same interior in each one of these books. Each of the 126 books has the same interior. yes, there might be the date will change because that's the nature of time, but the interiors are identical. And you can see all these different businesses I've made books for: hairdressers, massage people, dog groomers, masseuse, barbers, and you'll notice that it's not just one cover. There are several covers. So this dog groomer here, 2023, I've got it in at least 1, 2, 3 covers, maybe more further up. The barbers, look, that is practically the same colour, just with the cover, with the date changed. Now, because you make them doesn't mean you're going to sell them, but it was easy to make these. It took no time at all. As you can see, all I did, especially with these, is just change the image. I didn't even change the image there. Use the same one. From one interior, you can get 18 books. You can get more than that as well if you really try. But as I've said before, I'm lazy/busy. And I got 126 sales. Again, if you're good at back office, good at cover design, good at A+ content, I don't do that, you can make more. And again, there's the money. £136 from the initial design of the book. Didn't take more than an hour. And then 5 minutes each year to change the date. And again, another example with the academic planners. These are all the same books, just with different covers on. Not so many sales there, just 40. But again, there's no reason why you can't get more if you're better at selling than I am, which you will be, because I'm pap. And that got us nearly 80 quid. Now, the good thing about this, about reusing your interiors, is that you can target them for any niche and see what sticks. It could open up an entirely new branch of business for you. You can do the obvious ones like hairstylists, barbers, things like that, dog groomers. But think about other businesses that might need appointment books. Travelling salesmen. Every industry that takes meetings will need an appointment book, and you can target them all. And if you find one that hits the mark, that starts doing really well, then you can build other books around it. You can build daily planners targeted at that business. And the interiors don't have to be anything special. This is the interior I made. Did it in Affinity, but you can make them in whatever you want, or you can download the one I've made and given away to you in the description below. And this is it, really simple, just 8 columns, and all this is set up through data merge. And all the books that I've sold that I showed you in that graph have all got this interior. The numbers change year to year, but that's it. And again, because it's the same interior, just data merged, I can do it in 2 clicks. So that is the power of reusing your content. Remember, it's not spamming. You are supplying a legitimate service to Amazon customers. You know, a dog groomer isn't going to want an appointment book with a barber on the front, and a masseuse isn't going to want an appointment book with a big hairy trucker on the front. So there is a legitimate need for these books. You can fill that space. And the best thing of all is I'm giving you this book completely free. Yes, I know it's January, but people still need appointment books in January. So there it is. That is the best piece of advice I'll ever give you, open brackets, in this video. Reuse your interiors. So by reusing your interiors, you're not just saving time, you're also creating opportunities to reach new audiences and grow your sales. With a little creativity and smart marketing, this strategy can completely transform your KDP business. Less effort, more profits. Thanks for watching. As ever, please remember to like, comment and subscribe. It really does help me out. And remember, I will link to the video where you can get that appointment book for free. I'll also link to a playlist where all of my other freebies will be kept. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.